Jamaica's government orders travel ban to and from China.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Jamaica has imposed a ban on travel to and from China in the wake of the World Health Organization declaration of the novel coronavirus as a global health emergency. The travel ban was issued on Friday, the 31st of January. The travel ban, which was declared via a press release from the Ministry of Health, states that all persons entering the island from China will be subject to immediate quarantine for a minimum of 14 days. Quarantine facilities for these persons will be provided by the government of Jamaica, and the persons will be required to adhere to all restrictions in line with provisions under the Quarantine Act. The press release further states that individuals returning from China who have been granted landing privileges and who show any symptom of the novel coronavirus will be put in immediate isolation. According to the Ministry of Health, isolation facilities are operational at all public hospitals, with a specialist facility available at the National Chest Hospital.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.